I want your opinion on Goodman furnace complaints, before I go out and buy one.
The only thing good about Goodman is the initial purchase price.
I hear a lot of generic complaints. Give me specifics.
The igniters go out regularly.
A fridge that does not work is a glorified ice box, but at least I can throw bags of ice in to preserve the food. A dead furnace is even more useless.
To be fair, it is just as likely to be a dead control board.
Those are expensive to replace. That may be a third of the cost of the unit.
You'll be resetting the control panel periodically to get it running well, before it needs to be replaced.
The only thing worse than a cold house is a cold dark basement.
They have problems cycling on and off, due to sensors malfunctioning and overheating.
A furnace by definition should be heating up.
The sensors tend to get grimy and malfunction, shutting it off, and the heat exchangers sometimes overheat.
Overheating enough to shut down the furnace is a safety feature and a fire hazard.
Another complaint is the warranty, which is only 5 years if you or the prior homeowner did not send in a registration card by registered mail when you had the unit installed.
I know people who won't send those cards in so they do not get calls of "let me maintain your furnace" at the dealer's pricing.
You need to have the unit maintained to minimize the repair costs, though they are noisy when they run.
It's a furnace, so the fans and blower should make some noise.
This is like walking past a car engine roaring, not a quiet fridge compressor.
I'd like to know who made your fridge.
There are jokes that Goodman furnaces are efficient only because they are shut down so often. And that's in addition to their middling to average efficiency.
The baseline efficiency for any furnace these days is 80%. You have to pay extra to get the 95% or better furnaces, regardless of the manufacturer.
Goodman furnaces have improved efficiency because of how often you have to manually relight it, if you have a gas or oil furnace.
Okay, that's a valid complaint.
They shut down at random, sometimes turning on when you're en route to the basement to restart it or try to power cycle it.
How does the warranty work on repairing that problem?
They readily blame the installer or home builder. Take their time on warranty parts. And do not cover the labor, even if the repair person is now on a first-name basis with your family.